Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss the upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. Imagine being able to travel beyond the boundaries of our solar system, to cross the vast expanses of space and reach another star system in less than a human lifetime. For decades, this dream remained a distant fantasy, confined to science fiction novels and epic films, where brave heroes sailed through unexplored galaxies aboard spacecraft that defied every known law of physics. The cosmic vastness, with its infinite mysteries, seemed unreachable, like a dark and endless ocean separating us, small and fragile inhabitants of Earth, from distant and unknown worlds hidden among the brightest stars in the night sky. Today, however, science is making giant strides toward what until recently seemed an impossible mission. Interstellar travel is becoming a concrete, almost tangible goal, fueled by human ingenuity and the need to push the boundaries of the possible. The main problem, which has always slowed every dream of exploration beyond our solar system, is the immeasurable distance that separates our planet from other star systems. The closest system to us, Alpha Centauri, is 4.34 light-years away, a measure that may seem abstract but translates to over 40,000 years of travel with current space technologies. To give a concrete comparison, the Voyager 1 probe, which has been traveling through the void of space for almost 50 years, propelled at a speed considered extraordinary at the time, has covered about 24.81 billion kilometers and yet has not even reached a single light-year from Earth. Its speed, around 61,500 kilometers per hour, is impressive by our earthly standards, but infinitely too slow for interstellar travel within humanly acceptable timeframes. But in recent years, scientific and technological research has made enormous progress, and new innovative ideas are paving the way for a future in which we might finally reach those distant worlds that until now we could only dream of. Among these innovations stands out a revolutionary propulsion technology, proposed by NASA, which promises to break the barriers of time and space with an unprecedented acceleration capability, the Sunbeam project. This technology could allow us to reach the Alpha Centauri system in just 40 years, an extraordinarily short time compared to the tens of thousands of years currently needed. But how exactly does this futuristic propulsion work? What makes such incredible acceleration possible? What is the so-called relativistic electron beam that promises to radically transform space exploration? This system is based on an innovative and ingenious principle. Instead of loading a spacecraft with all the fuel needed for the journey from the beginning, the energy will be supplied from outside during the trip, thus eliminating one of the biggest limitations of traditional space missions: the weight and quantity of transportable propellant. A solar platform positioned in orbit near the Sun will be able to generate a beam of ultra-high energy particles, a true relativistic electron beam that will push the spacecraft toward new frontiers with constant and continuous force. The true revolution of Sunbeam lies precisely in this ability to provide almost unlimited acceleration, since the spacecraft is no longer forced to carry all the fuel but is pushed from the outside, like a sailboat moved by the wind. This allows for extraordinary speeds, up to 10% of the speed of light. That is, about 30,000 kilometers per second, a figure that opens up previously unthinkable scenarios. At this speed, a journey that would now require tens of thousands of years could be completed in just a few decades, thus opening the door to interstellar missions accessible to humanity. Not only would this technology radically change the way we explore space, but it could also have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and the possibility of finding forms of life beyond our planet. In fact, the Alpha Centauri system hosts Proxima b, an exoplanet located in the so-called habitable zone, the area of space around a star where conditions might allow the presence of liquid water, an essential element for life as we know it. The confirmation of extraterrestrial life remains one of the greatest unanswered questions of modern science, and with the advent of these new propulsion methods, we might finally be one step closer to directly investigating these fascinating realities. Naturally, to turn these ambitious ideas into real missions, enormous technological obstacles must be overcome, and significant resources must be invested. The construction of the solar platform capable of generating the electron beam, the precise energy management, the accurate targeting of the beam, and the safety of the spacecraft during acceleration are just some of the challenges that engineers and scientists must face. Despite this, the scientific community is increasingly convinced that the era of interstellar travel is now around the corner and that, perhaps sooner than we imagine, we will see the first probes or even human crews depart for other star systems. In addition to Sunbeam, research is also active on other technological fronts, such as the laser sail, which involves using powerful ground-based lasers to propel ultralight spacecraft, or nuclear fusion propulsion, which aims to harness extremely powerful energy reactions to generate thrust, up to futuristic ideas like the warp drive, a theorized concept that would allow space-time to be bent and cosmic distances shortened. Even if some of these solutions still seem far from practical realization, the speed at which science and technology are progressing encourages us to believe that they are no longer just science fiction, but concrete possibilities for the future. Humans have always been driven by the desire to explore and discover, from the first steps on unknown lands to the mythical moon landing in 1969, an event that marked a turning point in our relationship with the universe. Now, more than ever, we turn our gaze to the stars with hope and determination, knowing that our ability to innovate and overcome obstacles could finally allow us to cross the threshold of the stars. The possibility of reaching another star system within a single lifetime represents a historic milestone, a new frontier for our civilization, which, if achieved, will forever change our vision of the cosmos and of ourselves. In short, the future of interstellar travel appears brighter and more promising than ever, fueled by cutting-edge technologies like Sunbeam and an unrelenting human passion for knowledge and discovery. Perhaps one day, not too far from now, we will proudly say that we have crossed the stellar expanses, opening a new chapter in humanity's history, one of exploration, encounters, and perhaps even cosmic friendships.